Hello dear people, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make talking photo as easy as possible. I will teach you in a very easy way. First of all, you have to go to this website Heygen, alright? Then the photo that you want to make it talking, come here to this logo, which is a person with a plus. Upload or generate a talking photo. Click on it. Alright, then click on upload. Alright, now select your photo, whether for example it is on desktop, on downloads and documents. Alright, for example, I choose this photo, which is a photo of Donald Trump, Vice President of United States. Then click open. Alright, after clicking open, just wait a little until the photo will be opened. The photo recently I've uploaded and tested. Alright, now click on the photo. You see this pen, click on it. You can customize your photo. Okay, you have super resolution, which is one of the very useful things that we have here. It enhances the quality of the video, but I'm not gonna use this option. Alright, then we have background. If you want to remove the background of the photo, you can check this to remove the background. Alright, I use the original one. Then the view mode is that do you want it as a circle or as a square or original? I want it to be an original. Then the voicer, here you can choose the person that reads for you. For example, we have Tony here. Test it. Hello, if you like the
this
voice.
This is how I sound. Hope you like.
We have I like Eric, actually. That's why I'm gonna choose Eric. Let me find it. Eric, where is it? Okay, no problem. I can find it right now. Then click on select. Now we have done this. Then click on save template. Alright, now after clicking on save template, you see it here. Click again on the template, click this plus. You want the video to be landscape or portrait, select that one. For example, I want it to be landscape because I want it for YouTube, for example. Okay, now here we have the template, the photo available here. You can see it. We can even customize it. All right, after that we have this part, which is text, script and audio script. You can upload your own audio here instead of writing the script for the person to read, for the photo to read. I'm not gonna use the audio, I will use the text script. Alright, let's delete this. I use ChatGPT to generate a short story for testing the talking photo. Okay, write a 4-line story. Okay, let's copy it. Then I'll paste it here. One important tip here: if you want your character in somewhere to stop speaking for a moment, anywhere that you want to do this, click on the position, then click this icon, which is a time. Each time you click on it, the person will stop for half second. Now I want it to wait for 1.5 seconds. Alright, then you can play the script to know the duration of the video that will be generated.
Forest whispers fill the air.
Now you see the duration is 15 seconds. Beware that for each email that you sign up with, you have 1 minute as a free. Then you need to buy the premium plan. Or if you can't buy it, there's the solutions. Save this spot, okay, then sign up with another email to get 1 more minute as a free, then another email. After doing all of this, we have to click on submit to do the project, for our project to be done. Click on submit, then click on submit again. If your video duration is more than the credited dot left, more than 1 minute, you can't submit, but mine is 15 seconds. So let's click on submit. After that, we have to wait until it 100% will be ready. Now you see that the video is ready now. Click on the video to open it, then click on play. We will see the result.
In the dimly lit forest, whispers filled the air. A lone figure stumbled upon a forgotten tale. Each word spoken awakened ancient
You see that it looks like it's very real. It's unbelievable. Alright, now it is time to save the video. If you want to save the video with captions, with subtitles, you need to be premium. Alright, but since we are not premium, we are on a free version, so we turn off this and click on download original video. Click on it, then select the place that you want to download in, or if you don't have this downloader, you can simply download anywhere you want.
In the dimly lit forest, whispers filled the air. A lone figure stumbled upon a forgotten tale.
If you find the video good for you, please like the video. Until the next lesson, have a good time.